Paborito ng lahat ang banana turon, but today, gagawin natin mas special with cream cheese. Classic syempre ang may kasamang langka, pero promise, mas katakam-takam ang sweet and salty combination ng saba bananas at cream cheese. For best results, gumamit ng saba na hinog na but still firm. You can cut them into halves or fourths, depende sa size na gusto mo. Gumamit ako ng block of cream cheese na hiniwa ko lang into about 1/4 inch thickness. Habang nagbabalot, takpan ng mga spring roll or lumpia wrappers with a moist towel para hindi sila mag-dry. Coat ang sliced bananas with sugar to add sweetness. Gawin mo ito when ready to assemble dahil magme-melt ang sugar over time. At ang excess moisture ay makakapunit sa wrapper. Roll the turon tightly to prevent oil from seeping in. Idab ang corner with a little water to seal completely. Mag-init ng oil sa isang wide pan to about 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. If the oil temperature is too hot, masusunog ang wrapper sa labas bago maluto sa loob. If too low, the lumpia will be overly greasy. You can freeze the cream cheese for a few minutes bago gamitin so it won't melt too much and leak out of the wrapper during frying. Drain the banana turon on a wire rack, not on paper towels, at didikit ang caramel. Konting patience and let them cool muna slightly bago kainin. I hope gumawa ka ng marami at siguradong agawan ito. Enjoy!